Hey guys, Stephen here with another DIY musician guide video, and for this one I wanted to show you a new tool I found for pre-making Instagram stories. So I'll just start off by saying this is a very simple tool, and it's mainly going to be useful for people who don't have editing software such as Photoshop at hand. It was created by Buffer, the people behind the social media scheduling app. Link below for the video all about that. If you'd like to pre-create some simple Instagram story posts, then this might be the tool for you. Let's take a look. Okay, so here we are on the Buffer Stories Creator online app. As you can see, it's buffer.com/stories-creator. I'll put a link below so you don't have to just copy that down verbatim from me. Anyway, it's really simple. You've got this option here, the templates. There's a few to start off with, so we'll just pick one. We'll go for let's go for this one with the lady on, and you can see we've got some items there. We've got this discover what's new, which is kind of like a title text and some body text. It's also showing you, well, this is I think the most helpful part of this is showing you what it'll look like when it's uploaded as an Instagram story, which is a nice little feature. So you've got where the X would be, where at the top where you'll see where the kind of the partitions or the amount of the next story will start when this one ends, kind of thing, just to show you where the guidelines, basically where everything is, where your name is, see more, and the all this kind of share business at the bottom. So if you click on discover what's new, you can see we can actually change different fonts, which is a bit different. There's a lot more there than what's actually available within Instagram stories itself, so that's quite good. So let's just go down and pick one. I'm going to pick Open Sans. I've got a picture ready, so this will make sense. So I'm going to say Santa Dash, and then I'm going to change that. So you can change through different sizes here. That's already the biggest. I think this is the background. Yeah. Oh, that's the text color. This is still in the background. Yeah. Okay. Let's make sure that's red. And then I'm going to reposition this at the top there. And so this makes sense of why I've said Santa Dash. I'm going to upload a image here and just let that upload. Here we go. Right, so just very bit of context. Today I actually ran this 5k Santa Dash. It's an event, an annual event in Liverpool, where I think it's up to like 10,000 entries, 10,000 people dressed in Santa Claus attire and run through the streets of Liverpool to do a 5k. As myself and my wife Lindsay, we did it. So that's just so you know what this photo is. And that's my little medal there. I love it. I've been doing it for on and off for the last like 7 years or something like that. Anyway, so get back to this. So that doesn't make sense. So I'm gonna put, let's get ready for Christmas. I love Christmas. And I'll put a little smiley face. Let's change the background to that too, like black. So put that there, that there. You've also got the option to change the background color. Now, if I change the background color here, it'll get rid of my photo, which is a bit annoying. Like, you really should put the background color at the top. But anyway, it's a simple tool, isn't it? We can also upload a logo or graphic. So if I was doing my bands one, for instance, I might put, like, the band's called Why to Follow, it's got a little logo. I might upload a little logo to put in the corner. But to be honest, it's going to pull in your Instagram logo anyway, which is tends to be your Instagram avatar. So you've got your text, body, and caption, and that's basically it. It's quite simple. So let's go to download image, and now I'll just share that to my phone, and I'll add it as a story. Okay, let's just upload that picture to Instagram as a story. So we go into Instagram as normal. Hello, and find the photo. Here it is there. And now the options have changed actually. So we've got close friends and send to, which is new. I'll have to have a look what that's all about later. So let's try just clicking your story, see what happens. Hey, and it adds it to your story. I don't really understand that new feature, but whatever. And if you click on my story, you can see that it's right there. And from there, I can share it to Facebook and all that stuff. And it's all done. So basically, I could create a bunch of these really simple ones and have them on my phone ready to get the ball rolling with some Instagram stories. So that's it. So for me, I think it's probably a little too simple for my needs right now. But let's be honest, for me, I'm not posting half as much as I should be on my band's Instagram account. So at least this is getting me think about it and getting the ball rolling. So I'm going to end the video there, and I will let you know if I find any other tools, because it's got me thinking, I want more. Maybe I should just make a really good Photoshop template and use that. And talk about that. But if you find any more similar tools, let me know. And if you want to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe, and I will see you next time for the DIY Musician Guide.